Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and tell me which shape we drew last in our pattern? If we find the last shape we drew in our pattern, that will tell us what yesterday was, and then we can determine what today is. What do you guess? Did you guess a green shamrock? Green shamrock was the last shape we did in our pattern. And yesterday was Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. So to determine what today is, we are going to go to the next square, and we always go left to right. So we're going to go one square over, and that will be today. And we are going to draw the next shape in our pattern so that while we're working on our calendar, we know which square to come back to while we're working on it. So if yesterday was a green shamrock, what do you think our shape will be today? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning of our pattern and say all of our shapes together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle. Did you guess yellow circle? Good job. Let's draw it in our calendar. If you don't have a calendar, you can draw it on the paper, or you can just take your finger in the air and draw a circle with us. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top and we're going to go around into a circle. And it's okay if your circle's not perfectly round. It might have some bumps or straight lines. That's okay because we're just practicing. We'll get better the more that we practice it. Now that we've put our yellow circle into our square for the day, let's figure out what the name of the day is. Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count them up and say the names of the days together. It's okay if you don't know them all yet. We'll practice. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you so much for doing that with me. It's so much more fun when we do it together. Now, what day is it today? Let's go back to our square and go up. Thursday. Today is Thursday. And Thursday begins with a T-H. And T, when it has an H beside it, sounds like th, th, th. Can you say that? Go th, th, th. Good job. So some words that start with th would be like thirsty or three. So Thursday, capital T because it's the name of our day. Thursday. 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 Thursday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Thursday. Good job. One more time. Thursday. Excellent. Thank you very much. Let's put Thursday into our sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you didn't, or if you don't have one. You can practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice making all of the letters in the air with us, or you can just say them with us as we say them. That is all good ways to practice. We're going to start our sentence with the words today is. And today begins with a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence, and we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So capital T, O, D, A, Y, and then is, I, S. And next we're going to put the name of the day. So capital T because it's the name of the day, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. And then we're going to put a comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is going to be our month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up and say the names together. It's okay if you don't remember all of them yet. We will practice together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Here we go with the names. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Excellent. Thank you so much for saying those with me. Do you remember what month we are in? I'll give you a hint. It's the third month. The third month from the top. So if we go back up to the top and we count 3 down, 1, 2, 3, March. So we are in March, and we've got it at the top of our calendar. March begins with a capital M, and M sounds like Can you say that? Go Good job. So what are some words that start with M? Monkey, maybe, marvelous. Those are all great words. So March begins with a capital M because it's the name of our month. M-A-R-C-H. March. And March has one syllable, so we just clap once. Will you do that with me? March. Are you ready? One more time. March. Good job. Now let's put March into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Thursday, comma, March. So capital M, A, R, C, H. And next we're going to put in the number. What do you think the number is today? Can you see what the number was yesterday? That's right. Yesterday was 10. When we count, we say 10, but when we put it into our calendar, we say 10th. Can you do that? Say 10th. Good job. So if yesterday was 10, what do you think today will be? What comes after 10? That's what today will be. I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count up all of our days and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you guess 11? Good job. Let's put 11 into our calendar. You can practice on your paper or you can do it in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So it's 2 digits. We'll start up at the top. We're going to put 2 ones together. Are you ready? 1, and then another one. A 1 beside a 1 make an 11. Thank you for trying. Before we put the number into our sentence in our agenda, let's count backwards. Are you ready? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Thank you for trying that with me. That was great. Now let's put our number into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Thursday, comma, March 11th. So when we count, we say 11, but when we put it into our calendar, we say 11th. Can you try that? 11th. So here we go. 1, 1 makes 11. And when it's in the calendar, we say 11th. Good job. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And our year is way at the top of the calendar. 2021, or you can say 2021. Let's put that into our agenda. Today is Thursday, comma, March 11th, comma, 2021. 2021, and then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're not going to say anything else. Will you say the whole sentence with me? Let's try it together. Today is Thursday, March 11th, 2021. Good job. Next, I'm going to make my numbers all the way up to number 11 because I want to practice making my numbers every day so I get really good at making them. You can practice with me on your paper or you can do them in the air. And if you don't want to write them down, you can just practice by saying them with me. All of that is really good ways of practicing. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job. Thank you for doing the sentence in the agenda with me and for doing all of those numbers. That's really great work. Did you peek outside to see what the weather was like before you joined us today? What is the weather like for you? We had snow the other day. I was very excited. So it was snowing the other day, but it's not today. Is it snowing for you? What about rainy? Is it raining where you live? There's no rain here. What about sunny? Is it sunny where you live? What about cloudy? It's a little bit cloudy and a little bit sunny here. So it's partly cloudy and partly sunny. What about where you live? Is it partly cloudy, partly sunny? Put that up on our weather chart. And will you help me put the weather into our chart? So our first one is raining, but it's not raining. The next one has clouds with snowflakes. Nope, not snowing. What about sunny? A little bit sunny, but there's also some clouds. Oh, I think this one is sunny, partly sunny and partly cloudy. It's a little bit bumped off, so we'll have to draw that in again. But let's put our tally mark in there. We currently have 3 tally marks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 tally marks, and we're going to add 1 more. What do you think 3 plus 1 is? Let's put in our tally mark, then we can count it up and see if our guess is correct. You can try on your paper, or you can put your finger in the air and strike it down to make up one tally mark. Are you ready? Good job. Let's count them and see if our guess is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've had 4 partly sunny, partly cloudy days, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. Thank you for helping me put our tally mark into our weather chart. Now let's put it into our agenda. So today is partly cloudy, partly sunny. So I'm just going to draw a cloud, and I'm going to put a sun peeking out from behind it. Good job. So I'm going to look at my agenda from yesterday, and yesterday I baked a cake for a birthday. So I'm going to check that off because I was able to do that. And today I am going to build a snowman because we had so much snowfall yesterday, 6 inches, and it's nice and sticky snow. So it's great for making snowballs or snowmen or even snow forts. So I'm going to make one more snowman before all the snow melts away. I'm going to draw a snowman into my agenda, and you can draw something in your agenda that you're doing today. I would love to see what you're doing. If you do draw something on your agenda, you can email it to me. I would love to see it. So I'm going to draw a snowman. I'm going to start with his hat with a little pom-pom on it. We call that a toque. We wear that in the winter time. And then one big ball for his head, another big ball for his body, and a really big ball for the bottom. And then I'm just going to put some rocks here for his buttons, and I'll grab a stick for his arms, and then I'll put some rocks for his eyes, and maybe another little stick for his mouth there. And if I have an orange crayon, then I can make an orange carrot nose. And I think maybe he's going to have a light minty blue kind of colored toque on today. So that's my snowman that I'm going to make today. And I'm going to put my name at the bottom of my picture because we always put our names at the bottom of our picture. But I also want to practice printing my name every day because it's very important to get really good at printing my name. And you can print your name while I'm printing my name. Don't forget to put a capital letter at the beginning of it. Are you ready? So mine starts with a C. So capital C, E, L, Y, N, N, E. And if you don't know how to make all of these letters yet, that's okay. You can just practice making one letter at a time. And today we're practicing the letter R. So you can practice the letter R with me on your paper or in the air with your finger if you don't have a piece of paper. Those are both good ways to practice. So let's start up at the top and make a line down. Then go back up to the top and do a bump out and then a line down. And then you have made an uppercase R. Now let's try the lowercase r. Make a line down and then come almost up all the way to the top and make an arch out. There's your lowercase r. And if you practice a letter every day, pretty soon you'll get really good at it and you can make all the words that you would like to make. So yesterday I was feeling pretty excited because it was Calliope's birthday and we were going to have some cake and open presents, and we had lots of fun doing that. So I was very excited yesterday. Do you think I'm still excited today? I'm feeling pretty good. Let's see what we've got for our emotions here today. How are you feeling? Are you feeling happy? Are you happy today? Content? Comfortable? Are you comfortable with what's going on today? That's a good way to feel, comfortable. What about nervous? Are you nervous today, or maybe scared about something new that you're going to do? Or maybe scared of something that you know you don't want to do? It's okay to feel that way. What about angry? Are you angry today? Maybe disgruntled, grouchy, tired. I get grouchy when I'm tired. What about sad? Are you sad today? Did you misplace something that you want? Or not get something that you want? Or maybe you're missing somebody? Or are you excited? Are you excited to do something today? I think that I might be actually excited because I get to make a snowman one more time today. And we didn't think we were going to get any more snow this year, but we did. So I'm excited. I'm going to go outside and make a snowman. And my kind thing to do today is I'm going to call somebody and say, hi, I miss you and you're very important to me. Do you think you could do that today? Is there somebody that you miss and is very important to you? You could ask your grown-up if you can use their phone and give them a call. Sometimes you can even do a video call, which is really nice as well. So I hope you find something kind to do today, as well as something wonderful and fun. And I can't wait to join you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.